I'm repairing these electric socks. I got them at a garage sale for like $1 or $2, and they said only one of the socks was heating. It's got this plug, and they plug into these little batteries. So I put the batteries on, and one of them was heating up there, right? So I ohmed them out. I ohmed this out. And the one of them had a real low resistance, another had a real high, super high resistance. And this is the one that had the high resistance. So I followed I turned it inside out, and the wire comes down to here, and I could feel where it made a connection. And I ripped open the seam. They kind of glued this on. Anyway, there was the white wire, and that's like some kind of heating wire. And then it loops around in here. That's what makes the heat. And it had a little piece of heat shrink on there. I tugged on it and it came apart. This is the copper wire here. I should get something to point with. There's the copper wire here. This one here, it comes down from the plug. And this is like carbon fiber. It's almost like a silicone insulation or something, but it had this carbon fiber in there, which is conductive. But I was trying to figure out how to attach it, and I wondered how they did it. So I dug out the heat shrink that came off, and inside of it there's a little brass ferrule. So they would just put and crimp on. And I already put this end on there. This is I had some bootlace ferrules that you put on like the end of the wires, and it's pretty much the right diameter. It's real tiny. And I put it on there, and I used the vice grips here and crimped it, because you can't solder on that wire. I crimped it. So now I'm going to stick this. I'm going to put a piece of heat shrink over this wire here, try to pull that out more, and I'm going to get the end of this copper in to there, and then crimp it, then stuff it back in there, and they should work. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, I got it. Now I know how to get a close-up too. I got that black wire shoved in there and crimped it, and crimped the other end. Seems to pass the little tug test I gave it. You can see one. I can see one little tiny strand hanging out there, but that's the way it goes. So I'm going to get this heat shrink over there. I got some heat shrink on here. Boy, that's tiny when you're doing it. Look how big my fingers are compared to that. But anyway, where is it? I'm going to pull this heat shrink over and heat it up and call it done. And then I'll plug it in and see if they heat up. Got my little jet butane thingy. Let's try it. I already started doing it. See, I put the metal there so it wouldn't melt everything else. I think I'm going to call that good enough. Got some heat shrink on it. Let's, I'm not going to sew that back in. Like that fabric, the fabric, I pulled some of the stitching out. See the stitching? I pulled some of that out, and then the black wouldn't come off, and it's glued on there. So I'll just stuff it in there and stuff this joint union back in there, and we'll hope it holds. First I'll plug it in and make sure it works. I think it will though. If I can get the ohm reading on it, I'll do that first and show you. Okay, here's the plug. I got my one lead in here in the center, and then I'm going to put this one on the shield so I get the complete thing. And 6.1 ohms. That's real close to what the other sock said, the one that worked, so I think I'm good. So I'm gonna plug it in now. Okay, it's plugged in the battery's turned on. And here's the thermal gun. Let's see what it says. See, it's going up. It's heating up. There, that part right there, wherever it's pointing at, it's getting warm. I'll give it the touch test. Yeah, I can feel the heat in it. Not a lot yet. I don't know how hot it gets. I never used these socks before. It's definitely heating up. Oh, 121 there. It's definitely heating up. Yeah, I can feel it warm right here now. So this would have been good weather since it's been below zero, but I sit around inside anyway in this weather. I don't stay out a real long time. I go out, but anyway, successful repair of electric socks. I think they're like $40 on Amazon or $50, I don't know. But these were $1 or $2. Came with the batteries, battery for each one. And in case you're wondering, there's a little pocket up top here. See, they got a little pocket where you stuff that battery in. You plug it in and stuff it in there. So have fun. As far as what kind these are, who knows? This is what they say. That's it. There's a million different ones that rebrand these. Oh, they're global visions. Nice, huh? Electric socks. Electric heated socks. Let's see what the temperature's up to now. Just for the fun of it. It's 127 there, 126. Don't know exactly what part that is. Right there, I think. I don't know where that wire goes. It obviously goes through here. I suppose it's routed through this whole thing. And the front of it heats up first. Anyway, that should warm your toes, right? Better than nothing. There, 126. Let's see where I did my splice. Nothing down there. Okay, that's it. Successful repair. Another thing off the list.